So here we have an Asus A540L. Has a broken screen, so we need to replace it for a client. We're gonna change it now. Switch off, very important, switch it off. Make sure it's off. All screens are held by these frames. Again, you should be doing this with both hands, but I cannot record and make the removing of the screen. Okay, pause. Okay, we skip this. On this model, there are two screws, one here, one here. So, to remove the plastic, you need to remove these two. I need both hands. Once removed, you will realize that there is a screw. Now unscrew. Keep it in a safe place. Same story. Unscrew. That should go way easier. Still need the both hands, I think. Yeah, I need both hands. Okay, it's off. So now 4 screws, 2 up and 2 down. You need to unscrew. And then 2 right here. Remove the tape. Okay, screen is off. So this one, it is 30 pins, so if you want to change it at home, you need a slim screen, 30 pins. Always be careful with this tape, because you can mess it up. So as we said, it is 30 pin. The old one, we have a replacement. So basically what you do, you just put everything back. That should be all. Can do this with one hand. I need to make it sure that it went all the way in. Put that tape back. So we are ready to test. That's it. So now just we need to screw it back, put the frame back. That would be all. That should be tight enough. It's good. put this back on. Let's see. Click. Don't forget those two screws that are going there. Okay. Make sure it's tight. Final test. That's all.